Today I have this from Mart Dimoo Pop Disney Classic Game. And my first time having this, so let's open it up. I didn't know, I thought there's only one inside, so there's the first one, 2, and then 3. So there's 3 inside, so you'll get either of this character. There's Chip and Dale, Goofy, Pluto, Mickey and Minnie, another Mickey, and I wonder what's the secret. Okay, let's open this up, everyone. Let's see what we got. Oh, Donald Duck. Where's the other one? Oh, Minnie Mouse. Let's go to the other one. Chip and Dale. This is cute. That's it, everyone. Now you know what it looks like inside a Disney Pop bin. And make sure to like and subscribe, comment, and yeah, to make more video like this.